LG's 2025 OLED lineup is here, from the flagship G5 to the entry-level C5, all the way up to the M5 wireless OLED TV. LG is taking its OLED EVO technology to new heights with the help of AI. But will these new models live up to the hype? Let's go check them out. LG is known for being a leader in the OLED technology market, and their 2025 OLED EVO lineup will probably be no exception. At the heart of all these TVs is the powerful A11 AI processor Gen 2. This chip promises to bring better brightness, deeper blacks, and best-in-class color accuracy to whatever you're watching. Brightness is a key point LG is hyping up with a feature called Brightness Booster Ultimate. The new OLED EVO models can apparently reach a brightness 3 times higher than conventional OLEDs. In person here, they definitely look bright, which is something that, mini LEDs and QD OLED TVs have really taken an edge on, so this is LG's way of responding on behalf of OLED EVO. The G5 is LG's true flagship OLED EVO model for 2025. It's the one that won a CES Best of Innovation award, and this is where you'll find everything that makes LG's OLED technology so popular, but with some new upgrades, primarily in the AI space. It comes with a new AI remote, which you'll use to turn on the TV and be greeted by an AI welcome interface that curates the suggestions of what to watch. Then AI search uses an LLM to understand context when you're looking for something specific. Finally, and I wish we had a demo of this, but there's a generative image gallery that allows you to create custom backgrounds via voice commands. Pretty cool. Questionable about whether that's something people have been asking for, but it tells us that TV brands like LG are putting serious effort into AI functionality. Otherwise, the G5 also has support for the latest gaming features, including 4K at 165Hz variable refresh rate and Clear MR 10,000 certification for smooth motion during intense gaming sequences. Moving over to the M5 OLED, take everything we've already discussed with the G5 and then make it wireless. All of the TV's inputs are located in a separate box called the Zero Connect box, which then wirelessly transmits audio and video to the M5's OLED display. The signal strength of the Zero Connect box has also been improved, so now you can tuck it away in a cabinet, so it'll still be able to support a wireless transmission of 4K content at 144 Hz. This means you should still get seamless audio and video performance without sacrificing quality. And the best part, personally, is the clean, minimalistic setup, and you get it on these big screens. I'm showing you here an 83-inch version, but it goes all the way up to 97. Lastly, a quick mention for the LG C5 OLED TV. This will give you sizes down to 42 inches. It doesn't have as advanced a processor as the other two, but the price will certainly be more accessible. But let's be clear, while LG's 2025 OLED EVO TVs look great in this space, I can't come to any conclusions until we test them out in the lab. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those review videos when they come out. Otherwise, let me know what you think of the LG 2025 OLED EVO lineup. Anything you're putting on your radar, be sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.